Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be counting down the last few minutes here of my cars and bids auction for my 2015 Tesla Model S85D. No reserve, so the auction ends today, April 8th, 2025. So we're just going to go down to the wire here and see what the final number is. So we're going to do a quick little screen share here and show you all the details and the last minute bids. Alright guys, you can see here my cars and bids listing. Yes, this does have the free unlimited supercharging on this one, so I'm hoping that makes the price a little higher than one without. It has the MCU2 upgrade, so the infotainment upgrade, so you can stream like Netflix and YouTube and all that good stuff. But it does have high mileage, as you can see, 153,700 miles, but it was a one owner car before we picked it up here last July. Runs great. Does have a few scratches and dings here and there for a 10-year-old car now. So, but we've had quite a few bids and comments on this thing so far. But you can see here in the last hour we've got a couple more bids. Was 9,500 last night. But what I've learned from Cars and Bids and Bring a Trailer, this is my fifth one now between the two sites. And one thing I can say is once the listing goes live, just try to just advertise as much as you can on Facebook, anywhere, Instagram, all the different social medias that you can think of. Just get the word out. You can do a regular for sale listing on Facebook Marketplace, and then just put the link to the Cars and Bids auction in there. Just let people know that this thing's going no reserve, and it helps out a lot. My last one I did was a Toyota pickup. It was the Back to the Future truck that we did, and it actually went down to two people back and forth at the end, and one of them was a guy from Wisconsin that found it on Facebook Marketplace. So it can help you out, so definitely something to think about. Alright guys, we are down to 5 minutes left in the auction. No more bids yet. We did have a guy comment in asking if it had the coolant delete done on this, and the 85D, the non-performance model, which this is, does not require that coolant delete. That's only for the large drive units, so the ones that came with the performance model. So we'll see here in the last few minutes if we get any more bids. Otherwise, 10,000 might be the number. 11,000. If we can get over 12, I'll be feeling pretty good. Baby steps. Ooh, we made it over 12, guys. Counting it down. Any last bidders? Aspen Monkey's trying to put in the nail in the coffin there. Looks like that might be the number, guys. Oh, we're back in it at 12.3. Looks like we only have a couple people interested. Oh, we have a new bidder. A new bidder at 12.4. Man, I think Aspen Monkey might want it. He's bidding it up in big chunks, trying to put in the kill bid. Oh, B Cole 14, he was in at early on in the bidding, so he's back in. So maybe we have a few people that might be interested now, guys. It's getting interesting. Was that the knockout bid? No, Ovi's back in it. We've got 3 or 4 guys that are interested now. That's always a good sign when there's lots of interest, guys. Holy moly. Aspen Monkey just put in the knockout bid, guys. If it goes higher than that bid, I will be seriously surprised. Done, guys. 15,150. Congratulations to Aspen Monkey, guys. I am super stoked. 15,000. That was a decent amount over what I wanted, which was 12. So win-win. They're going to get a good Tesla with free supercharging for life, and we'll be able to move on to our next vehicle. So thanks for tuning in, guys. If you got any questions for me on selling on cars and bids, leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next one. Have a good one.